Hi everyone, welcome back to another video for Jetstar. And a lot of big announcements, a lot of big news out there for Jetstar, a lot of things happening. If you watch my earlier videos, I've already quoted that this week would be the happening week because they have the CEO Woohoo is completely involved in marketing, so we would definitely be hearing a lot of good partnership news or upcoming news on what is going to come up with Jet next. So that's good to hear. The team is working hard because nothing in terms of affiliation with the team, guys. It's just that I have been having outright conversations with them on the Telegram group. If you are also on the Telegram group, you would have seen me under the name of Mr. Aslan, and that's where you see me conversing with the group and engaging with them. I keep asking questions. I do also sometimes check with them one on one in the DM on certain questions which I feel are not so right on posting it on the community front, probably because of certain thoughts that might lead to NDA and stuff. So just simply asking to pose a question. It depends on what your content is, right? So I would like to have certain conversations outside the group, so I do keep having such conversations with them just to understand what they're planning to do and what Jetstar is actually having as a milestone and what are their long-term goals. All these things is what we would be discussing in this video. Big updates. Really nice to see that the team is all geared up for the next stage to go ahead. So before I start my video, again, guys, this is not financial advice, or neither am I any financial advisor. This is just my own research and the conversations that I have with many of the team or the people out there, trying to understand what the project would do or what the crypto token would do in the crypto universe. So always do your own research, read the white paper. Three simple things: check the website, read the white paper, go through all the details or in terms of their supply, their marketing strategies, join the Telegram group, get to know the crowd, and that's when you will learn more about the token. If you're so confident about investing, then please go ahead and do so. And for Jetstar, yes, I would definitely advise you the same. But if you do not have so much of time to do all this stuff, please do watch my videos earlier as well, where I have given you constant updates about Jetstar as well as other tokens too. So you can just run through them and probably make a decision or take a call. That's up to you guys. So moving on with the video content, the first and foremost huge update that has been dropped just minutes before I am recording this video are the two listings of CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Guys, this is a big milestone. According to me, within a span of 1 month, you're getting this coin listed. Yes, people might go ahead and say the listing might happen already before even the ICO or any such trading as such occurs for few of the coins. I totally agree with that, but there are certain legitimate projects which would definitely be audited well, curated well, and understood as to whether this listing would add some benefit in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko too. Because see, these are big websites which provide a lot of visibility for the users. We have always seen anyone who is referring to crypto. Sorry, guys, just a moment. Yep, sorry for that, guys. If there is any voice gap, my internet cable just snapped over, so I had to reconnect it. All right. So, like I was quoting, this is actually good in terms of having a lot of visibility in place with lot many people coming over to my CoinMarketCap for reference of or CoinGecko for the fact for reference of any of the cryptocurrencies out there. Because sorry, this is a one-stop shop, right? So you do have the contract details, you have the official website details, you have the trading view, you have the trend for the past year or once it's launched. From till there you have a brief introduction on what the token is. Kind of you have basic information of what you want to know about the token over here. And this website, not to go in detail with what coin market cap is, I strongly believe a lot of you out there would know about it. But what this actually does for Jetstar or any other token out there in the crypto universe or the crypto space, it gives visibility to people. So once you have more visibility, you would entice or reach a lot more people who are potential investors or people who are interested to buy into this coin. It's as simple as that. So now earlier, if you look at it, their website, the only way that you could actually trace the price or get some more details was through the text chart. There were a few other smaller websites which did have, but the traffic, the amount of people that used to go there was quite less. So the visibility per se was limited to only certain area regions. But now that we have the listing done on CoinMarketCap as well as CoinGecko, we see that it's good. It's giving Jetstar a little bit more potential and oomph in terms of visibility, wherein it's now able to reach a mass audience rather than a specific regional ones as earlier. The only mode that they could reach out was through Twitter, but now they have a new weapon up their sleeve. So having said that, there are a couple of other events that are actually happening right now and in the recent days, which has given me a lot of hopes on what to expect in the future. Let's run through the Twitter posts quickly. I'll come to this Reddit contest in the end because I want to keep that as a bonus for you at the end of my video. Before that, if I just come down to Jetstar, they have been going ahead and organizing a lot of events recently. We did have that giveaway that they're planning to do on the 23rd of September. There is a burn incoming. I'm sorry, I think I've missed the official site. I'm running through my homepage. I'm sorry, guys. So ideally, we had this partnership with Frag Games. We had the burn that they have announced on 23rd of September. That will be 5 million tokens, not a less number, because the total supply is just 100 million, guys. It's just 100 million, and it's 5% of the total supply that they're going to burn. And the best part, if you're a holder of Jetstar, you're getting reflections, and that's 6% of reflections, not 1%, not 2%. That's over 6% of reflections that you would be receiving for Jetstar. The selling would be happening on the burn would be happening on 23rd of September, and the time is listed here. Let me just quickly run through that. Yeah, you also have an AMA that is going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and try to stream this live on my YouTube channel, guys. I'm announcing it right away. So please be what all my viewers out there, please be ready. So if you want to join in, you can feel free to join in. That would be my first live that I would like to do, and it's good to have an AMA to be the first live event that I'm going to span out. So I've got my gear ready. I'm just waiting for the date to and the time so that I can go ahead and stream that through. It will be through Telegram. If anyone wants to join through Telegram, feel free to go ahead and join there. Or else, if you want to join through YouTube, I'm there for you. I'll be covering that up as a live stream here in the YouTube channel. You can join me as well and watch through the AMA all through. And if you do have any questions, feel free to post. Let me know in the comment section below right now so that I can put it across. Or better yet, I would strongly advise a first-hand experience. Join to Telegram. Ask the question out there. The developers or the team or myself, if I know the answer to your question, would be happy to answer that too because I'll be there in the group, right? So that's one more part that I'm also excited about because this burn not only indicates a better price action on the Jetstar token right now, it also enables long-term holders as an incentive, right? So people who have been holding their coins from the beginning, yes, they have got a appreciable profit, not 1x, not 2x, it's almost more than 10x, guys. Trust me on that. 10 if people have actually initially bought it at the very beginning. I believe the price was somewhere around 0.0015 is what I read in one of the chat messages. That was a price point I believe is when they bought, and look at it now. It's already, what you can say, that's around 80 cents right now. It's almost close to 8 cents. I'm sorry, not 80 cents. I'm sorry, it's close to 8 cents. So it's 0.001, so 1/10 of a cent. That's a clear cut 1080x. Am I sure? Yeah, my maths is weak. Please do let me know in the comment section below. I believe it's around 80x. So they've already done that, and I bought in when it was around 2.8 or 3 cent, 3ish cents, guys. And I have already almost coming close to the tripling my 3x. Right? It's around 2.5x right now, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy to see the price action, and this is not. This is just the beginning. To be frank, this is just the beginning because of one major factor, guys. That's the supply. So I've been quoting everyone on the supply part of this coin, I mean of this token. So if you look at BSC scan, you see it's just 100 million. That is not the actual supply because out of this 60% of it would be burnt. If you come down to the holders right now, 50% of it is burned, including this 23rd September burn, it would be 55%. And just with these many holders, oh my god, this is huge. We have almost increased the holder count by 100 right now. It was 660 or 70 the last, yesterday, and before that it was around 630. We have added a good amount of holders. This is really nice to see. Why I'm excited about it? Hold on, in a few seconds I'll tell you why. But if you watch my earlier videos, you already know why. And we also have this additional 1% that has already been burned just by these transactions, guys. 1%, that's around 1 million token burned just by these transactions. Good amount of reflections coming out. And as and when the days pass by, we will definitely see the increment in value in terms of dollars. I'm speaking of dollars, and trust me on that. You would sometime come back after a couple of months duration. You would definitely come back. This will be the video on the timestamp. You can refer that what I have told and what I've quoted. This is not just hocus pocus magic. This is pure analytics in terms of what we can expect on the volume, what we can expect on the supply, and what would happen to the price action. So that's the way I've been quoting on why I'm actually very bullish, and I'm very happy about my investment, because it would be a easy 100x. That's what I'm quoting in the next probable 6 months. Probable 6 months. But if things ramp up before that, who knows? It might be even more than 100x, right? So it might even be 1000x also. Yes, I'm not joking, guys. Strictly speaking, I'm not joking, because it's very simple calculation in terms of the total supply that you have, and more products get launched. And once we see that utility for Jet in the upcoming products that they're going to bring out, which I'm going to discuss in a few seconds right now, that would lead to a whole new potential for Jet price to increase. So the first and foremost recent update that we have got is regarding the NFT marketplace. Where did that go? I'm sorry, I do not want to keep all the tweets open, too many tabs. Some of my viewers have actually told me that I keep a lot of tabs open, so I want to keep some clean. So if you look at it, there was this tweet. Yeah, here we go. So you can see that NFT marketplace is coming out pretty soon. Is it something to be excited about? Yes, you should be. You definitely should be. The main reason being, join Telegram, just run through all their artwork, or on Twitter, just check out all these artworks. The artists have been putting their heart and soul into this particular project, as well as creating amazing pieces of artwork. Kudos to each and every artist out there. Not to actually shill out, guys. This is my honest appreciation to their hard work that they have been putting in the Telegram group. If you are part of it, you also would have experienced the amount of detailing, the amount of creativity that they come out with, and how often they keep posting such kind of artistic variations, right? So it's not as you see in other groups where you just see gifs that are posted from Telegram. These are actual artworks that are made, and you have a lot of variations. Look at this. See how much they're actually investing in term. I mean, by investment I mean the creativity and the time for the artists is what I meant. So how much are they actually going ahead and investing? Look at this. Just to announce a single listing of coin market cap, they have just made an artwork. Okay, some people might say, okay, it's so simple, it's doable by anyone. I mean, it's fine. I'm okay with it, but look at the creativity that they put into. Look at the detailing that they go into, right? So that is what entices me. That is what gives me a lot of promise in terms of the future marketplace, NFT marketplace that comes out. I'm pretty sure that the amount of artistic work or impressions that they would make in the NFT space, it is really nice. And I'm also waiting for some um NFTs which I definitely love, especially if I come down to the website. I've been quoting this a long time. I like the gorilla. I really love the gorilla. I also like the wolf. I also like the shark. So these three, if they are rolled out as NFTs in the marketplace, I would potentially see if I can buy them first hand. But yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see if if anyone else gets it at a lower price than me, then I'll have to shell out more. But yeah, that's another conversation altogether. But I'll definitely try to hit these three in the first time that they get them released in the NFT marketplace. Moving on, I have one more update for all those artists who want to create NFTs out there. There was a recent announcement wherein they are looking forward for NFT artists for their artwork for Jetstar, in fact. So if anyone is interested out there, anyone wants to contribute or anyone wants to definitely earn some money, you can get in touch with Jetstar team on the Telegram group. I think probably you can also see if you can DM any one of the admins out there or the moderators out there in the Telegram group, so that they can get in touch with you. Or best option, get to Twitter official for Jetstar and go ahead and put a tweet across. So that way also you can go ahead and probably get their attention. The best possible way, Telegram, and probably any one of the mod whom you can actually go ahead and DM and check them out. So they are looking forward for artists. This is a good opportunity, is what I feel, to make money as well as be part of this wonderful project, both ways, right? So if you have some artwork that you would definitely like to sell, then these guys could create a platform for you or provide you with the right resources to go ahead and help you out to establish your name and space in the NFT market, right? So this could be your beginning for all those budding artists. Just quoting, it's just an opportunity, is what I want to actually put across. So since the team is new, you definitely have less amount of competition out there, so you'll definitely be having a better edge, provided your artwork is good enough for their standards. So that's something that you both can individually discuss. But just a shout out to all those artists out there who would like to create NFTs or who are already creating NFTs and want to go ahead and sell them out. They can feel free to go ahead and contact Jetstar of official people, and they will be able to hook you up with any of the upcoming projects or what their requirement would be. So you guys can collaborate and create some amazing artwork, which we as investors or buyers would definitely love to see. So having said that, moving on, what did I miss? I did cover all my topics. Yes, the last and final topic. If you would like to invest in Jetstar, but you do not want to actually take a chance in terms of using your fiat, how do I become a part of Jetstar without investment? Now, this is a contest that they have been running for the 3 days. It started yesterday. If you come down, I'll leave the Twitter link in the description below of this video. You can go ahead and check that out as well. This here is an announcement that they have made, where all you need to do is just upvote 10 of their posts which are there in Reddit and comment on each of the posts. That's it. All right, it's as simple as it gets. It's a 3-day event and the total price of 150 USDs that would be split between three people. So if I come down, I click on the gleam.io, this link, I come down here, you can see the number of entries and how much time is left. This is for day two. All right, so day one is over yesterday, day two is here, 24 hours are left. After this, there will be another day three. After the 3 days, I mean 5 days, I'm sorry, not 3 days. My correction. It's a 5-day campaign. So once this is done, you would be able to go ahead and be the lucky guy or girl who would be able to go ahead and win $50 worth Jetstar for the every day for the next 5 days, right? So for every day you would be able to get $50 worth if you are one of those lucky chaps. So per day basis, again, it's not like once you win you would be getting all the 5 days. It's like 50 USDs for today, 50 for tomorrow, if you are a winner tomorrow as well. That's how it is. So it's free money, it's free coins, right? So who would not want it? And just saying, coming down to CoinGecko, how much would 100 USDs get you? Right now it's 1274. Now, why I'm actually quoting this number of 1274? BSC scan, number of addresses 766. We are nearing to the 1000 mark. And what would happen once we near to the 1000 mark? Free NFTs. If you are having minimum 1000 Jetstar and you are part of the first 1000 holders, you would be eligible to get a free NFT drop by the Jetstar team. And on top of it, if you have some deep pockets, if you would like to heavily invest in Jetstar, I mean by heavily I mean more tokens in the bag, and you are one among the top 100 out of these 1000 addresses, you would also be receiving a special another NFT. So it would be two NFTs if you are in the top 100, and one NFT if you are in the top in one among the 1000 holders with minimum 1000 jet. So that's the criteria, minimum 1000 jet. So 100 USDs would get you a free NFT as well as 1274 jet tokens, with kept for a couple of months, good amount of reflections, as well as a good price action and potentially a 10x or a 100x bare minimum profit. So that's my take on Jetstar right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do let me know in the comment section below how you feel about Jetstar, and would you actually prefer to invest in Jetstar right now, or would you definitely want to wait for some more time to think about it, see how it goes for a few couple of more days, and then go ahead and invest. Do let me know in the comment section below. And also, I have a lot of other videos where I've detailedly covered their white paper. I have in detail covered what their projects would be upcoming and how I feel that Jetstar is a legitimate project. Please do check out those videos, and probably that might give you some idea on whether Jetstar is good to invest or not. This is my honest opinion out there. Thank you so much once again for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the like button, and do share this video to spread the word across. Let's get more people into Jetstar and see the project grow and succeed. Thank you so much once again, guys. Have fun.